Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this Vans off the wall AirPod Pro case. So basically the way you get these is by using the app, or basically registering yourself like in the apps. I think the app store, you get points for every purchase you make. So I think it's kind of cool. You watch their videos, you give surveys, or you do surveys, and you just give them feedback, and general just earn points. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the unboxing to it. uh, there's actually two versions. These are for the AirPod Pro's first generation, but the I have the second generation of AirPod Pros. But yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Silicone and aluminum alloy. The aluminum alloy is basically this right here, so everything else is silicone. So great quality for the case itself. Yeah, look, even has a little thing. I have a feeling this might come off in the future, but that doesn't seem like a big problem. If if you're not constantly moving it out and everything. It does have a little spot for charging, basically charging your AirPods. So it's kind of cool. I thought this looked like plastic, but it's actually metal. So that's good. That's really good. Um, yeah, let's go ahead and put it on. See how it looks like. Oh, that's for your thing. So here I have is the AirPods Pro second generation. Unfortunately, they didn't have this for here. Well, we don't really need it since we already have this, and of course we have the sound for it, and we don't really need the sound. But if you're like me, I like to try to avoid scratches. There's already been scratches on here, so that kind of sucks. But you can't really see it, but it's better to protect it than having to deal with more than that. So yeah, we'll give it a shot. Over here, and it's a simple insert. And if anything, I feel there. That's it. If anything, I feel kind of safe that the fact that this is like an extra protection, and then here. So, and it takes a while. Even like I said, Apple has great quality products, so I know that they won't fall out. Yeah, and this is pretty much it. I mean, it doesn't seem like they will open unless, I mean, I wouldn't hang them off my pants unless, if I run, for sure I'm gonna hold on to them. But this is a good way to just protect your case, if you step out or something. And I love this right here because it protects it from like debris entering into your charging port. So overall, I actually like this case. Um, it's not like many of the others. Let's see. Yeah, it falls fluidly into it. Like I said, this is you can see the little icon right there showing you that it's charging. Once again, this is just basically for the AirPods Pro. So I'm thinking that the other AirPod Pros, my buddy has an AirPods first generation. But if anything, I think the Pros generation, they look the same. The cases are basically the same, so I really shouldn't see any problem. But other than that, I'm pretty satisfied. Like I said, as long as it protects the case, and then I rarely take them out if I'm gonna go somewhere. If I'm gonna walk, then I'm gonna. If anything, I don't really take the case. I take the AirPods instead and just come back. But overall, great quality build. This is silicone, so it might tear. That's probably the only thing that I see in the future, that it could easily tear. I thought it was going to be a hard shell case at first. I was like, oh, okay, cool, hard shell case. Um, but once again, like I said, you just rack up points and you redeem this for free. I will provide a description below to the Vans reward system. It's really cool. You should sign up for it for every purchase you buy. When you buy shoes, skateboards, pants, beanies, shoelaces, it's totally worth it. And you get, I think this was about 1,000 points. So I'm gonna say like, I don't know how it depends on the points how it goes off of it. But overall, I like it. Like I said, it's a good protective layer. Even if I take this off, um, I know that rest assured it's gonna protect the case, because that's all I really want. I don't want the case to scratch on the back. Yeah, it's stuck in there. Like, I can't even take it out. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna mess with it because I don't want to remove it and then like have problems. But other than that, it's pretty in there. Let me see. Oh, it moved. Oh, there you go. Oh my god, right on the spot. Okay, there. Awesome. Okay, then it closed a little. Yeah, I noticed that here where it's gonna. So I did have a little extra room to insert it more. This is really convenient. So if you're like me and you want to be on a you're on a budget, I think this would be a great addition to add on to your AirPod Pro cases or anything basically that you need. And there seems to be no problem. Yeah. Yeah. So let me know if you guys have this AirPod Pros case. Um, Overall, I give this a 4 out of 5 because I know it's not a hard shell case, and because of this little right here, I know that over time it's gonna wear out after like hanging it for a long time, and eventually it's probably gonna tear. But I mean, like I said, I just redeemed my points, like 1,000 points for this, and that's pretty good deal. I mean, if I wanted like another quality case, then I buy a hard shell case that's gonna attach for a long time. But this is, like I said, it's after buying shoes and that I got this for free, so it's totally worth it. All right, guys, let me know in the comments. See if you like this Vans. Once again, it's basically Vans earbud case for the Pro. And I will see you in the next video. Peace.